So nice.
Hi guys, welcome to today's beautiful video. You are highly welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very healthy drink that helps to boost the energy level and improve your hair status, purify your body system, and energizes you perfectly, strengthen your immune system. This is very good for our body and it helps to boost it perfectly and naturally. And for the joystick, it helps to strengthen it and make it function very effectively. So you are going to be taking a very one glass drink that are very good for the body, that help to cleanse your body and chase sickness away from the body system for you to be on a healthy status, guys. Yeah, this drink that is very medicinal to your hair that you need to take every day, or you can take it at least 3 times or 4 times in a week, so that you can balance your health status and chase sickness away from the body. You don't need to be sick before you start taking care of yourself. Health is wealth, so you need to take care of yourself by using your natural recipes that have no side effects in the body. So let's dive into this video so that you can see how we prepare this effective drink. Using onions is very good because it contains a lot of property that help to boost the energy level and improve your health status in a healthy way. So we are going to be using one of these onions, which is very okay for the body, and we are making just 1 glass. You can take this drink before your bedtime, or you can take it after your breakfast to boost the energy level perfectly, but it's best to take after your dinner. So then go ahead and slice it into pieces so that you can blend it. Next, we are going to be using bitter cola. This is energy booster. Bitter cola contains a healthy nutrient that helps to increase the size of the joystick perfectly. An intake of this drink, just 1 glass you need in a day, is going to give you a perfect result, and the same time help to cleanse your overall health. So if you have some kind of pain or waist pain, this is very good to relieve you from those pain, and if this help to control your sugar level and balance your pH level, this is very perfect for our body. So you just need one of these bitter cola. So what you need to just to peel it. Next, we are going to be adding garlic. Garlic contains antioxidant that help to cleanse the body and balance your energy level in a natural way. So we just need 2 cloves of garlic, which is okay for us to use. Next, we are going to be using turmeric. Turmeric is very healthy to cleanse the body system and detox the body, and this helps to cleanse the liver, the kidney, and the overall system. So you need turmeric to balance this drink. So First, you are going to be adding water so that you can wash them properly. Then get your blender. The last thing we are going to be adding is banana. Banana is very healthy, so you need just one banana to add to it. Eating banana a day is very good for your body. Then add water so that you can blend. So let's go ahead and blend. So this is after blending, and then you are going to get a glass cup and pour into your glass cup. This is very healthy for your body. So we're going to be taking this drink at least once in a day. Yeah, cheers guys. So nice. Guys, this drink is so nice. Male can take it, female can take it. Yeah, it's very good, but this is just mainly for men, guys. Men that want to increase the size of their joystick or cassava. That is very good on the body, so that it can be on a healthy moving. You understand, guys? Yeah. So guys, if you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell wherever I upload a new video, so that you can be notified, guys. Please do consider this. Take it once in a day if you want to be on a healthy side and increase the size of the joystick in a perfect way. Yeah, see you guys in my next beautiful video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye.